up on Cars and Brownies. My boy Z goes for the mad pass. Look at this nut job over here. And just trying to take out everybody like it's Mario Kart. Yo, for real though. People can get seriously injured. Give space, you know. Alright, this Mandem Z sick tats. And both, as soon as me and my boy sat down in the seats, felt a little muscle cramp in the plastic bucket seats. Nonetheless, let's get out for a little warm-up lap. Give you a taste of how the Amigo track looks like through the S-bends at the beginning here. Coming out to the flat out back turn here. But once again, we're just getting warmed up. Flip the apex on the hairpin here. Into the next hairpin. Down the back straight. Nice little warm up. Get the tires warmed up. And by the time now, everybody should be out the pits. There's my boy Z on the other side. So I was planning on waiting for him, but I said there's no sense because he's on his warm up. So let's go catch up. At this point, I said full throttle. Coming out to the flat out back bend here. Send it all the way flat out. By the time you get to the end of the yellow line here, get on the brakes. Slight understeer to the hairpin, and we have a spin out by number 50. The yellow helmet. Number 74. Yeah, 74. So here we go. Caught up to my boy Z, number 83. Getting things warmed up. Alright. Gonna follow his line. He's got a little more experience than I do. And also weighs a lot lighter than I do as well. In the sense that he also tracks his car at Calabogie. So definitely more experience than I do. But it's all for the fun. To the flat out back bend. Flat out sending it. Alright. See if we can catch up in the hairpin. He's just clipping the tire there. Hugging that apex. And I'm just understeering. I always had trouble with that hairpin and this hairpin on this track. Also, last year there was no tires here, so I would always send and drift out into the sand here. So, yeah, I don't think they like that very much to put tires all around, making it a tighter track, forcing you to grip all the way. Still on the tail of my boy Z here. Hasn't shaken me off quite yet. Coming up to the back straight here. The gap might have opened up a bit. Just getting that apex right on that lap, I believe. Alright, we're caught up to other competition at this point. Number 63. Can't see at this point. 63, yeah, the blue helmet. We'll go for the overpass on the outside here. Understeer, not quite the best line for that hairpin. Flat out here. Back straight. Alright, the gap's opened up a little bit between Z and I. Oh, kicked out sideways and almost sending it into the barrier there. Through the S-bend. Flat out. Through his back turn here. Not too sure how fast we're going at that point. Easy 70k. Alright. Getting a little better at that hairpin. But you can see the gap massively. Oh, look at this. Some more competition here. Alright, this might slow down. Oh, just clipped the tires there, not paying attention too well. Not too sure where my eyes were at that point. Here we go, flat out on the back, catching up to the rest of the competition. Gap is closed up between C and I. He's looking for the move. He's looking for the move. He's hungry for that pass. Tries to go for the outside there. Gets cut off. Oh, he's made the pass on the outside. 74 in the yellow helmet's cheese. As I go for the inside shoot. Slightly getting sideways out the hairpin there. Alright. Big move. Boy, Z is fast. Trying to catch up to the red helmet 50. Coming up to the hairpin. Slightly getting skittish there. Holding him down. He knows those hairpins very well. Alright, oh. Mr. Yellow Helmet. Another spin out. Got a yellow flag. Alright, at this point, I'm like Gran Turismo. Keep going. My boy's giving me the flag. Keep going. Taking the lead. Let's see. How long can we hold it down? How long can I stay out in front before Z makes a pass? Alright. Steady in that hairpin. This one. Slight tire squeal. Looking for my hindsight. See who's behind. See who's not. Oh, a little wide. Almost went into the wall there. Losing speed out that hairpin for sure. It's always getting the best of me, that hairpin. Yeah, flat out this section. Once again, at the end of the yellow, just get on the brakes. Clip the apex very well there. This one. And Z makes the inside pass. There he goes. Okay. Sneaky. But plenty of space there. As I understeered out of that hairpin. Gonna try a little different line there. Ooh. Almost sent it into the tires once again. I used to always drift into the sand there. I remember getting the frame of the cart there last year. I was all about the drift life last year. But this year, we're all about the grip. All about the apex life. Once again, going for the overlap on the competition. Look at this Z going in between. Look, what's this? Man's trying to slice me off. I was tempted to make the outside grass move, but I'm gonna stay safe. And Mr. 74 trying to take out competition. Little tandem moment there. Oh, 50 makes a pass again. Great move there. Alright. A little brave wearing the tank top out here, just in case, you know. I'm wearing a jersey nonetheless, but at least I think I'm the only one with the cargo pants on. Slight sputtering backfire from the carts. Gonna look for the move. Everything block off at this point. My hands are starting to cramp up at this point. Oh, and look at this! That was quite a dirty move. Man jammed up the brakes and into the competition, taking them out very nicely. I had to jam my brakes in a nice recovery. I'm glad I did not hit anyone at that point. Did a quick spin around. Alright, behind number 50 here. 63 at this point. Pretty sure Z is like halfway. Hey, look at this, man! What are you saying? Jamming up the brakes, forcing me to. It's all good, bro. I'm saying that was his bad. But yeah, some of these carts need slight tuning up with the brakes and all. But I was pretty dialed in, nice and tight and everything. Feeling it. Gonna look for the move on 63 here. Alright. just as we get to the flat out bend. Looking for the inside move there. Looks like we're going in fast motion, but we're zooming in real time. Clipping the apex nice. Alright. Going for it. Shaking my hands off. Damn premature arthritis. I don't know. Gotta get to the doctors and check out. Next lap. As you can see, the yellow helmet 74 has been red flagged off the track. Playing too dirty out here. Anyways, this lap, we're zooming. Feeling it. As you can hear, we're feeling it out there. Give the little Ric Flair. Woo! Yeah, boy. Alright. So, I set the fastest time lap. Not the fastest, but my personal fastest was 38.1, I believe it was. And my boy Z put down a time of 37.6. So, my goal next time at the Amigos track is to get a time of under 38 seconds. Alright, we're gonna let 50 go there. I'm slowing down so my boy Z can catch up. I wanna play around, little cat and mouse things. See if I can learn his line. Alright, give us a thumbs up. I'm gonna chase. Little tandem go-karts. Alright. Zooming. Got the slipstream. Holding it down. Looks like we're going in super speed mode once again, but I ain't kidding. This is real time. We're zooming in the super karts. That's right. In the super karts. Just squeezing some titties out here. I'm joking. I'm just my hands cramping up once again. You can see on the left there. That's the wussy kart track. No offense to anybody, but that's like the child's track, double karts and things, the dumbed down karts. Good for the kids and all, you know. But this is the big boys, where the real men come out to play. Here we go, still on the tail of Z. Gaps opened up. It's probably like, I'm weighing out at around 200 pounds. I'm not too sure what Z weighs around, but I'm gonna guess there's a easy 40-pound difference. But of course, I'm not making excuses, but also the driving experience he has with track times. But this is only his second time out at this track. I introduced him to it last year. This is probably my third time, I believe, out here. Nice. Clip the apex here, slightly getting sideways once again, almost going into the tire barrier. I absolutely love that hairpin. Jokes and my nemesis. Yeah. Flat out on the brakes. Tire squealing. Brakes are probably pretty faded by this point. I haven't been too hard on them. I still gotta figure out the braking point going into this hairpin. I think I'm braking too late. I start braking about here. But I think I need to start braking a couple lines more. And enter from a wider angle and come in a little later. Next time. The more we get out there, the more experience we gain. Once again, I also want to break the time with 38 seconds per lap. Also, it'd be sick to one day get the Grand Prix sort of race going that they have. They have a little Grand Prix package, 10 plus people. So if any subs are from the Ottawa region, Gatineau region, holla. You know? Let's get a proper race going. Right, he's opened up the gap. Once again, we're gonna overlap the blue helmet. 63. He made the move in the hairpin. Sneaky inside pass. See? We're gonna go for the outside move. Once again, understeering is not quite the right line to take in that hairpin, and we still got it, but we got it on the straight. We made the move, shaking off my hands once again. Alright. This was a 15-minute session, by the way. Just 15 minutes of just trying to get the fastest lap out. And my boy Z was actually the fastest Mandem on the track. Oh, it came in second with the second fastest lap. Sick. Number 50 wasn't too far off either. He was about like 2 or 3 seconds behind my fastest lap. And that's it. Session's over. Into the pit sweep pull. That was a pretty good session, I must say. I was gonna pull in here, but I get flanked to the front. Maybe think I was the fastest man of them all before I got the timesheet. Alright. Thank you very much, monsieur. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed that, and you're down for karting, check out Amigo's karting track in Gatineau. In the Ottawa, just outside the Ottawa region. Pretty sick. Pretty sick outdoor track. I enjoy it over top karting, I must say. A lot more lenient rules out here too. Not as strict as top karting. Okay. Gonna dap up my boy Z and call it a day.